Kobe, let's go for a walk, bud. Ready? Go. Good boy. Hello you guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. Kayla Jukic here. If you are new, if you're not, hello again. And with my little dude, Kobe. It's so funny, he has been camera shy lately. He just like, look, he just turns his head. He's like, nope, I don't want to be in the video. He's also holding on to me for dear life. Say hi. Everybody's always asking to see you, Kobe, so please look. Anyways, that is not the point. Today is Sunday and your girl is so tired this morning. Oh my god. It has been rough getting up, but I had to get up because the hubby, it's Sunday, okay? Sunday football. The hubby is going crazy and for some reason there's a game at 9:30. So we've been up, he's been yelling, all of that. Today I'm gonna take you through a little Sunday routine in my life. We're gonna grocery shop, we're gonna meal prep, we're gonna do a bit of cleaning. Also last week, it was your girl's time of the month. So I need a little bit of a reset. But for right now, I'm gonna kick my hubby out of the bed because I want to wash our sheets. So it is a little bit later now. The first football game of the day just finished. So we're gonna quickly head to the grocery store. We're just gonna go across the road to Walmart. If you guys have seen other vlogs, I've told you this before, it is so convenient where I live. We literally share like a parking lot with a Walmart.
It's the best thing ever.
One huge pro tip to grocery shopping to not only help you like not mindlessly walk around, but also to help you not spend extra money is to make a freaking grocery list. So basically what I do is I will section it off by like what I want to meal prep for the week, for lunches, breakfast, snacks, whatever it is. And then I will write all of the ingredients that I need, whatever it is that I don't have already in my house. And then at the end of my list, I will just add the miscellaneous stuff. So for example, this week I really want to try making homemade soup. I wrote a list of everything I need for soup and I'm not gonna go beyond that. And then I'm gonna do that for each meal. I have everything laid out here because I just did like a haul for TikTok. If you guys aren't following me there, I do weekly grocery hauls literally every single week. I don't know why, people love them. So make sure to go follow me at Kayla Jukic if you want to see the weekly hauls. But I'm going to show you this week's. Everything I'm going to show you was a total of $116. First things first, we got Villaggio toast bread for breakfast and just to snack on. As well as my husband picked up these chocolatine pastries. It literally comes with 4 and they're probably gonna be gone today or tomorrow. I'm gonna be a little bit of an efficient queen and I'm gonna start putting things away as I show you them. So for meat, we got a rotisserie chicken. I'm gonna use half of this for some chicken noodle soup that I'm gonna be making in just a little bit. And the other half we're probably gonna have for dinner tonight. I also bought extra lean ground turkey. This is always my go-to. I always talk about this. I'm gonna be making like a bolognese pasta for meal prep for lunches this week. So this is gonna be the meat for that. For some fruit this week, I got a bunch of bananas and blueberries. For veggies, we have some mushrooms. We have baby carrots. I have a little celery stalk, some asparagus, and then a yellow pepper and a yellow onion. For dairy, we got 2% milk. This week we got Fairlife because usually I think it's Natrel that we get. I could be wrong, but that's usually what we get and they were sold out. The Natrel chocolate milk was on sale too for $9. So
of course I got 2.
I love these little things just to sip on during the day after a workout or something like that. And then I also got unsweetened vanilla almond milk.
Wow, McCaffrey and Mostert got their touchdowns. Remember I said McCaffrey touchdown and San Fran money line, and then I put...
So you won the bet?
Yeah.
How much?
I put 50, it won 130 or something.
Oh, nice. Continuing on, I got quick oats. Usually I go for rolled oats, but I couldn't find them. I think they were sold out. So these will do. I got fat-free gluten-free vanilla Greek yogurt, and then I got 2 small cartons of egg whites, and then some random miscellaneous stuff. We got Lindt milk chocolate with hazelnuts. We friggin' love eating this, but it is quite expensive. We got cinnamon toast Eggos, and then I got a carton of eggs. We got Pepsi. I don't usually drink this. Like, I'll maybe have a zip of my husband's, but he likes that. And the last thing, we got Pringles. They're always on sale at Walmart. 2 cans for $5. So we got barbecue and salt and vinegar. Now I am going to start meal prepping. So on the menu this week, we are making a chicken noodle soup. I think I mentioned this earlier. It is fall now, so I want to make soup, and I've never made it. So my mother-in-law gave me her recipe, the steps. It's so easy. I can't screw it up, hopefully. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna be making egg bites for breakfast. For lunch, we're gonna be making the bolognese pasta, and then for a snack, I'm gonna be making protein banana bread. I am just gonna take my sweater off because I literally sweat up a storm when I meal prep. My kitchen gets so hot, and I'm just like dying of heat. We are first starting with the soup. So I just washed and cut the veggies that I'm going to be putting in. I'm going to be making my own type of broth. This is the biggest one I have, so I'm going to be filling it about halfway. I'm going to throw all the veggies in, and then I'm going to add some seasoning, and we are going to start boiling that. Quickly want to show you the seasoning I'm putting in. So it's called Vegeta. When you use something like this, you don't need to add salt. So this has everything. If you've ever tried the Starbucks egg bites, people are so obsessed with them, and I think like 2 or 3 weeks ago I made them homemade for the first time, and they turned out really good. So I'm gonna make them again this week for breakfast. So I just put the little egg bites in a muffin tin with silicone, and I just filled each one and then added some more shredded cheese on the top. Now I'm gonna put that in the oven for about 20 minutes at 350. While the egg bites are in the oven, we're gonna be making some protein banana bread. First thing we need is 3 ripe mashed bananas, so I'm gonna mash them just directly in the bowl. Now I'm gonna mix this, and then I'm gonna add walnuts and chocolate chips. Totally sorry, I got a little bit carried away, so just a little bit of an update. I switched the soup to this bowl, and I added some spaghetti pasta. That's done. Now I'm working on my lunch. So I have rotini pasta boiling. I have Trader Joe's butternut squash pasta sauce warming up, and then this is the extra lean ground turkey cooked up with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Finally finished the meal prep. So I assembled everything in the Tupperware. This is what it looks like. Oh, good boy. So it is 8 p.m. right now. I've been in bed for about an hour. I was on YouTube a little bit. I was editing a little bit, and as well I was setting up my content for the week. I like to do this on Sundays. I recently started doing this, and it's been a lifesaver. I like pre-write all my captions out. I write, you know, like what I'm gonna post on what day. So what I'm posting on Instagram, what I'm posting on YouTube, what I'm posting on Pinterest, so on and so forth. But it's 8 p.m. and it is time for Love is Blind reunion. I'm so excited. Okay, so first reaction, Izzy and Stacy look like they might still be together. I don't know. I don't know.
You are still married, correct?
Yes,
Okay.
we are happily married.
After
There we go.
your
Finally,
wedding,
let's get to it. What happened?
And that I needed those couple of days, but
Oh, I feel so bad for him.
you're nodding, Chris. Do you agree that that's how it went down?
I didn't handle the situation as someone would properly.
What? Just finished the reunion. After the first like 10 minutes, it wasn't really anything. Like, it wasn't that juicy. Nothing I feel like we didn't really already know. They were literally like ending it, and I was like, it's done? Like, that was it? I don't know. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys are always saying Kobe needs to be in it more, and like, look, he's hiding. He doesn't want to be in it. Please make sure to subscribe to me down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. I'm going to bed. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.